not, this is our second time from TD10 working with I and specialist as a veteran. We give thanks and praise. More things to come. Just look forward and we take it to them as well, you know? Big up on yourself. Look out. How's the video going so far?
Well, this is my second video, as you know, and I would say it's going on great because I feel good. I feel like I'm reaching places. And that's the feeling I had first. So I'm happy so far.
I shall not fear no one, for is where you lead me, I will follow. I know that God will guide me under His secret place He hides me. I know that God will guide me. I shall not fear no one, for He stands beside me. I know that God will guide me under His secret place He hides me. Early in the morning when I rise, I lift my hands to Jah to hear my cry. Head of my life, ruler of the universe, He is my guide. I hear the birds sing sweetly in the tree, giving honor, power, and majesty to the Most High who watches over me. I know that God will guide me. I shall not fear no one, for He stands beside me. I know that God will guide me under His secret place He hides me.
Okay, let's zoom down on the lens and do a closer one.
I just finished my video shoot. It was great. I liked it, and I think you guys are going to love it. I thank you guys for supporting me and coming on my video